In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature field in DocuSign. First, you need to log into DocuSign. Simply visit the DocuSign login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're at your dashboard, you have a couple of choices to make based on what you need to accomplish. You can start with a new envelope if you're sending a document right away, or you might prefer using templates if you plan on reusing the document later. This flexibility lets you tailor your approach to best fit your needs. Next, let's move forward by uploading or selecting your document. To get started, click on Start and then choose Send an Envelope. This option allows you to upload your document, whether it's a PDF, Word document, or another supported format. Alternatively, if you've decided to use a pre-existing template, you can choose that instead. This step ensures that you have the correct document ready to go with minimal hassle. Now, it's time to add recipients to your document. Start by entering the signer's name and email address. If you're using a template, you'll also have the option to assign roles such as signer, approver, or manager. Additionally, if multiple people are involved, you can set a signing order to ensure each recipient knows when it's their turn to sign. With your recipients added, you're ready to enter the field's editing screen. Click Next after setting up your recipients, and you can move on to the Fields Editor. This is where you get the chance to visually organize how your document will be filled out by dragging and dropping fields onto it. By using this flexible interface, you can make sure everything is exactly where it needs to be. You're in full control here. Adding the signature field is next on our agenda. Over on the left side, locate the Fields panel where you'll find the Signature field. Drag and drop this onto the appropriate spot in your document. You'll also want to adjust the size and position to make sure it fits perfectly and is easy for the signer to find. It's crucial that each signer has at least one required signature field to complete. Additionally, you may want to consider including other fields for completeness. Options you have at your disposal include date signed, initials, text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and drop-down menus. These fields are often placed near the signature field to create a seamless signing experience. Finally, review your document thoroughly. Once everything looks good and is in place, go ahead and click Send. By sending the envelope, you ensure that your recipient knows exactly where they need to sign, making the process straightforward and efficient. With these steps, you'll be ready to handle your DocuSign documents like a pro.